Okay, let's start our meditation practice first. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can. And gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, long breaths. And relax your whole body. In this evening, you all came to the temple and sitting in front of the Buddha. We are all going to spend some beautiful time with yourself. We are going to develop our loving thoughts, and also we are going to focus on our breath. Be happy you are at the temple and you are going to practice meditation. Before we start our meditation practice, it is important to have relaxed and peace mind, also relaxed body. Make sure to relax your whole part of your body. Relax your mind, relax your body. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Try to be a loving person to yourself. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Please think several times each words. May I learn to forgive and accept myself. May I be safe and protected from inner and outer dangers. May I be content. May I be patient. May I learn to care for myself with joy and ease. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Please repeat to yourself several times and understand the meaning of each words deeply and clearly. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your all family members. Imagine their faces individually. Maybe they are not close to you, maybe they are in different places. But we can always connect to heart to heart. If you have any difficult time with someone, try to let go and send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my family members and all loved ones be well, be happy, be peaceful. May not any difficulties come to them. May not any dangers come to them. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we can send our loving thoughts towards to all the living beings. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find peaceful, healthy and comfortable environment. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May all the living beings be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. If you want to change your posture, you can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Now it is time to develop your unconditional love. If you have any difficult people in your life or annoying one in your life, think of them. We can skip them as a loving kindness practitioner. Don't get any anger thoughts. Send your loving and compassionate thoughts towards to your difficult one. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends, guidance. May they be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. Understand in this moment you are the one of the loveliest one in this world. We all together we develop our loving thoughts. Make a strong determination to develop your loving thoughts every day as much as you can. Now let's practice breathing meditation. Take a few deep long breaths and focus on your natural ordinary breath. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose, then you can feel your breathing process. Many thoughts may distract you. Let them come and go. And focus on your natural ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. No need to think about past. No need to think about future. Enjoy this present moment with focusing on your natural, ordinary breath. Our mind is always wandering. Many thoughts come and go. We call monkey mind. If you are having thoughts, just know you are having thoughts. Don't worry and come back to the breathing process. When you are inhaling, you know that your body is inhaling. When you are exhaling, you know that your body is exhaling. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. We can breathe. Next breath. We can breathe. Past breath. Breathe only in the present moment. Enjoy this present moment and keep focusing on your natural, ordinary breath. Now, slowly focus your inside. try to understand nature of your mind. When you focus your inside, you can see your good mind, your skillful mind, your good qualities. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts every day. Same time, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry. Understanding is the most important thing. It's mean you can fix your mind. Now please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Be grateful for this moment. Be grateful for this practice. Be grateful for your breath. Also be grateful for yourself. Be grateful for this place. Be grateful for Buddha and also his beautiful teachings. And make a strong determination to develop your loving thoughts. Also to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy and be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, and today we are not going to do our regular chanting. I would like to share with you some short talk. Then afterward, we all the monks, we would like to do some short blessing for you all. And thanks so much for being here. And your first time?
Yes.
Okay, your name?
Mike.
Mike. Thanks so much for coming. And also thanks. Yeah. And what I want to share with you this evening, one day there was a young person. He was thinking, there was a professor, he was thinking he want to find out what is the best definition for the religion word. We know in this world there are more than 3,000 religions. People are practicing, people are believing. And I do remember last Saturday after meditation, there was a person and he asked me about some questions and he told me, oh Bhante, I went to Sri Lanka, I spent some times in Sri Lanka. And then he asked about, he had some question about religions. Then most of religions, they have to just believe. What do you think about Buddhist teachings? Do you have to believe? How you know what you learn? What you can recognize about Buddhist teaching? Do you have to believe Buddhist teaching, or how you can tell? I just want to know. You have no idea. Actually, what Buddha taught, come and see, not come and believe. Okay, because Buddhist teaching is not a believing system. So you don't have to believe. You have to come and see and you have to practice. And then Buddha taught us, if you are comfortable with my teaching, then you can keep continue. And then also the same time, try to see you inside. And that teacher was thinking, that professor was thinking, I want to find a good definition for this word. Then he was he was um, going to different places, different monasteries, different churches, different places. Then he asked many questions from the people or the fathers or whatever, the people living inside the places. Then he couldn't find good answer. Then finally he went to the monastery. Then there was a monk. He asked Bhante, how can you explain this word, religion? What is the best definition? Then he said, according to my knowledge, my wisdom, I think the best definition for the religion, it is silent. Okay? Then he said silent. Then that professor was confused because he didn't expect that kind of answer. He was wondering long discussion or different answer. Then that professor asked again, how can I practice silent? Now I'm asking you how you can practice silent. If you want if you need a quiet time, what do you do? If you need quiet time, what you do? What did you say? Yes. Close the door, or just being with yourself, doing nothing. Yes, there are so many ways. So that teacher told, okay, if you want to practice silent, you have to practice meditation. Okay. Then that professor asked again, how can I practice meditation? What does that mean? Now I'm asking you, what does that mean? How you can tell about meditation? If someone come to you and ask, please explain this word briefly, how you can explain to someone?
I always think of meditation as guided, and to be silent is so hard. Or just be silent without the mind talking.
Yes. And then that teacher told, okay, if you want to, meditation means silent, then that teacher explained meditation means silent. So we are just staying quiet and silent and observing our thoughts and mind. And there's we all know about this word, mindfulness. It is all over the world. It is very famous. And many teachers are there. They are teaching about mindfulness, monks, lay peoples, everywhere. And what is the best definition for the mindfulness word? We can say introspection. I think it is the best definition because one time I was listening to one of a great teacher and he was telling, I think best definition for the mindfulness word, introspection. Then it is mean we are looking inward. We are observing our thoughts, mind. So actually, what we did today, maybe it is difficult. It is not easy because usually our mind like to do something else, what mind want. So when we go into practice meditation, so mind it doesn't want, but you have to put your full effort to practice. So don't be hesitate, don't worry. So just keep encourage yourself. Then finally you will be able to practice meditation. And me and Bhante Badya, this July 9th, we both completed our monk life as 19th year. Then sometimes we both remember when we were little, we had to practice more than 1 hour, sometimes 1.5 hours. So we felt so difficult. Sometimes still we felt the same way. It takes time. So today you all came to the temple, you practice, and don't worry, don't give up. Keep practice, and everything come to us naturally. So what I want to share with you, the mindfulness means also introspection, looking inward. Try to understand your nature of your mind. Try to understand your thoughts. So keep encourage yourself. And now we are going to share some chanting, and you can listen to this chanting. You are not going to understand the words, but we are using, we call Pali language, what Buddha used many thousand years ago, but still we are using that same language, same words, what Buddha used. And you can listen to this chanting. You can think about your loved ones. You can practice loving kindness meditation while we are chanting. Okay? Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Mahakaruniko nato hitaya sabbapāninam purentva parame sambhapanto sambodhimuntamang etena vajjena hotu te jaya mangalam jayanto bodhiyamule sakhananandi vandano evantu ihanjayo hotu jaya sujaya mangalam Osadang uttamang varang hitan deva manusanam buddha tejena santi nanan santu paddavasam dukkha upasamentu te sankhatva dhamma ratanang osadang uttamang Parilavupasamanam dhamma tejena santi nanan santu paddavasam bebaya sankatva sangaratanang osadhang uttamang varang auneyang pahune Sangate jena santi nanan santu paddavasam roga upasamentu te ankinci ratanallo vijjati vividha putu ratanam buddha samannan Tasma sotti bhavantu te ankinci ratanam loke vijjati vivi ratanam samannanti tasma sotti bhavantu te ankinci ratanam loke vijjati vividha putu ratanam Tasma sotti bhavantu te natti me saranang anyang buddho me saranang varange sacca vajjena hotu te jaya mangalam natti me saranang anyang dhammo me saranang Nang varang ete sacca vajjena hotu te jaya mangalam natti me saranang sangho me saranang varang etena sanca vajjena hotu Mangalang sambhitiyo vivajjantu sabbarogo vinansatu mate bhavatvan Sukhe Dighaayuko Bhavatu Sabba Mangalan Rakkantu Sabba Devat Sabba Buddhanubhavena Sada Sotti Bhavantu Te Bhavatu Sabba Mangalan Rakkantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sadas bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalan rakkantu sabba devata sabba sang sada sotti bhavantu te Kattayak bhutan papagani varana parittassanubhavena hantu te upadave. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. May not any difficulties come to you. May not any dangers come to you. May you have beautiful life. Thanks so much. Announcement, tomorrow we are going to start our Tuesday morning meditation again, 10 to 11. After pandemic, we didn't do that. So we are going to start again. If you have time, you can come to the temple 10 to 11. Okay, thanks so much. Have a good night.